I'm here to review this beautiful Real Perfection travel kit with all these beautiful tools inside. Let's go ahead, unbox it and show it to you. It's fantastic. It comes in this beautiful box, and also here we go. Here is the items inside. Stick one by one outside and show it to you. Here is the double 2-in-1 brush and the roller here for the face and the eyes, and also the headband, and the last one is the Gua Sha. Let's go ahead and show you how amazing this will be. So we can apply here the headband, and it's ready to go to apply the other options on the face and for your face routine. So the headband is amazing, can hold the hair away from the face, and it's very easy to apply. There is a 2-in-1 beautiful silicone spatula on one side, so you can apply your cleanser or your product with a spatula, and here's the other side with beautiful double-faced brush as well. I'm going to use it now, show it to you when I put the mask, and I'm going to brush it on my face as well as I'm using it now. So I'm going to apply a face mask, and it's a face mask and cleanser as well. So now I'm using the brush side so I can brush it and cleansing my face deeper with this beautiful silicone brush. And next will be the Gua Sha to massage my face after I apply some oils or some essential product, and massage it as well as a daily basis, and also you can use it on the neck side as well. So beautiful. And this beautiful roller here for the face side, for the neck side as well, and also the other side, the mini size one here. The other side is for under the eyes or at the nose side and so on. Definitely it is a very good set to have on the go. Definitely recommend it for everyone. It's an amazing set. Thank you so much.